What's up guys, Steffanina back with another tutorial, and today I'm really excited for this piece because I'm teaching you a remix that I made to Billie Eilish, Everything I Wanted. If you guys want to see the performance video of how I put this together, from playing the pianos, the drum machines, all the pieces of it, I'm going to put the link to that down in the description box below. Thank you for all your support on the last one, Lose You to Love Me, Selena Gomez. You guys have been honestly really amazing. Now this one I would say is one of the more challenging pieces that I'm putting on this channel, and I felt like we've been doing some difficult stuff, but I wanted to give you guys a little push today. So this is gonna really help you with cleanliness, with dancing full out, with musicality. It's gonna be a bit of a challenge, but make sure you stick all the way through it. Do the full tutorial. Even if you don't get the choreography perfect, that's okay. You're gonna get it in your brain, and then you can come back to it tomorrow, in a couple days, keep cleaning it, revisiting it, and then in a week of practicing it, you'll have it down, and you're gonna watch your dancing literally get stronger and cleaner from a routine like this. So really stay persistent, work hard at this piece, and once you guys learn it, make sure you tag me in your covers at Steffanina. Also, we're using the hashtag #StefRemix for any videos that you do to my remixes so I can find them. Even if it's not my choreo, you're freestyling, whatever. I love to watch them, and thank you guys again for all the support on the music. Now, if you're ready to learn this combo, hope you stretched. Let's get it. All right, if you guys are ready, let's get to it. Lots of beats and sounds, lyrics, all kinds of things that we're gonna hit in this one. So the first thing that you're gonna do is just lift this right knee. You're gonna drop, and then when you come back together, your right foot's gonna come in front. All your arms are gonna do is circle open. Your right one starts on top. Then you're gonna go down, and then you're just gonna pull to here. Then I'm gonna step out on my right and go ta, ta, and then my hands and my head are gonna flick down, up. So let's just get that one time. You go 6, 7, 8. This is 1, a 2, and 3, and a 4, and then I'm gonna slide to my left. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. So what I'm doing is, after I slide through, my right hand pulls. It's like you yanking my leg over to the side. Then my arm and my leg are gonna match. It's gonna go around, step, step, push. I just bring that shoulder back. Then I'm gonna pull through to come up a little, like in towards my body, to go 7 and 8 and. So this is gonna go from like really slow, really chill, and then it's gonna go ta, 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 quick, 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 quick. In, elbows and heels up together. So from the top, 6, 7, 8, 1, a 2, and 3, and a 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This goes 7 and 8 and. So see how there's some parts that are really quick, like 7 and 8, 7 and 8 and then it's slow and it's slow and it's slow, and you have to wait for the 7 and 8 and. Okay, I think we got that. Now we have 4 single counts. Doom, 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 really slow, just like that. So all you're gonna do after here is boom, pull into your hip. Then you're gonna scoop this knee, boom, and push out. Then you're gonna turn on your left, going back over this right shoulder, this way. Then you're gonna step out on your right, push, and you're gonna come in together. So one more time, 7 and 8, and it's going 1, 3, 5, 7. Then you're coming in. Now this part's really fast. It's gonna go left knee up first. You're gonna go ta, step that left leg back. So I'm just pushing down with my right hand, shoop, clean to here. Then my left hand's gonna come over my head, and I'm gonna pull my head back and away. My right hand straight to the front to go click. I'm gonna take this hand over. Then I'm gonna go right, left, and that's just heel, heel, toe, toe. Then I'm gonna step on my left and go doom, da, twist, and punch, punch. And this comes all the way around to here. So let's get that one more time. The reason this is difficult isn't because of the steps. The steps aren't too hard. It's the timing is really fast, right? So it's gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 40 and 5 and 6 and doom, doom, ga, ga. It's like super, super fast. So what's gonna help you, this is a great part to train, because if you can get this clean, then like any choreography that's really fast, sharp movements, you're gonna be able to do. So really drill this section until you get it. The biggest thing here is you have to keep your abs tight and you have to keep your knees bent and everything contracted. If you're like this and you're trying to do it really fast, it's gonna be impossible. So think of here, like really engage your abs, and then when you do all the shoot, you can stay strong and stay everything cleaner and tighter, yeah? So where we came from is, we turned around, pulled here, you're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and woo and a ta ta. One more time, just for your brain. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a woo ha zoom and a geek. That's pretty much the speed. So if you got that, you're killing it. If you didn't, don't worry, we're gonna go back over, but you can always rewind. Now from here, you're gonna go ooh. And it's just like you're really heavy, like somebody grabbed you by the hood and was like, threw you over. Then it's gonna go ta, ta, ta. So I'm doing, my first leg is my left in my left hand, then I twist my right leg in my right hand, then I'm gonna pull this, then I'm gonna go left, right with my feet, left, right, and I'm gonna bring this up here. So the beat goes, 1, 2, 3, da-da-da-da. So this is da-da-da-da. Last part, and then we'll go back from the top a bunch of times, or once, but you can rewind it a bunch of times. You're gonna pull this down, you're gonna go, and wave this across. So it's almost like this hitting down sends you into a wave here, and then your arm's just gonna reach out. My left hand grabs my arm, and I'm gonna bring this up, and I'm just gonna go ta, and just twist my head to the side. All right, you guys learned a lot of it. Let's go back from the top, nice and slow. Remember to practice it really strong. I'm already sweating. You should be too. Here we go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and doom, 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 doom. Fast part, you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and goom ga. All the way around, chill it out, ta, ta, shoot, ta, 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 da. Then you have this slow part, rather be, it's like something like nightmare, mare, then it goes tick, ta. All right, work that out a couple times. Once you feel good, let's go on. We just got 4/8 of the chorus and then you're done. So this is, as by now you guys probably heard the song, this is where like the big heavy beats come in. So the first thing we do is just hit down here. We're gonna go boom, open this up, come up, go down around, and then as your knees hit in, it's gonna slide us to the left and your arms go to the right. So that's boom, open, up, around, doom. Then you're gonna do 2 pas de bourrées, ta, 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 ga. So just the feet, I'm going right, left, back, and then I knock my head sort of into like, kind of like a body roll, but it's more like you just got knocked and then you sort of roll into it, yeah? Your arms, after here, your right arm comes under, then you pull both arms open, and then just your head hits on that. So let's try those things together from the new part. You go, and 8, boom, open, whoop, this goes, ta, 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 ka. Then you're gonna bring this up, it's gonna go, sounds like a monster like gargling, like, oh, like it's like, so that's kind of the vibe. So you're basically using your knee to start this wave, and you're catching something here, your right arm is on top of your left. Then there's another like, shunka. So you're gonna go, shunka. It's like you reach it out further, and then you snap your wrists in. Then it's gonna go, so you're gonna go, and turn this across. And my left foot starts to drag back a little bit. We're gonna do one more pas de bourrée here, so that means left, right, left. And your wrists from here, your right arm is gonna pull under, your left arm is gonna pull over, and we're gonna do like a shoom. I don't know what that's called, we'll call it a shoom. You're gonna take your left arm, I'll do it slow, your left arm's on the bottom, it's gonna come over, and pull this across. Then I'm gonna go ta, ta, ta. I'm gonna go goom, and then I'm gonna roll this back, ti, ti, ta. So this is where we're almost to the end, but this is where your brain starts to be like, okay, it's a lot of steps, right? It's good, that means it's a challenge. This is where you gotta keep pushing, get to the end of the routine. Even if you don't get it clean today, even if it's not perfect, it's okay. Get through the whole thing today, and then tomorrow come back and try it again, and you'll be able to clean up the details and things like that. So don't stress if you're a little bit lost right now. It's a hard combo, but that's why I wanted to make this one challenging, because I wanna really push you guys. We do some that are more chill, this one's a push. So let's go just the chorus from here. 7, this is 7 and 8. Boom, one, ga, boom. 6 and 7, ga. Roll it up, zoom. Again, click, zoom. This goes ta, 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 boom. So my heel comes up, da, da, da. Heel up, then it goes ta, ta, ta. So I'm rolling my arms back and clicking here. All right, let's finish it. You're almost there. You're gonna knock this down, and I kind of almost feel like I'm pulling with my left hand. Boom, you just reach out, whoop, to your head. Then it's gonna go womp, womp. You're gonna go womp, womp. So my hands are going up this way and then across this way. My knees go to the right. Womp, womp. Then it's gonna go womp, womp, womp. So that's just high and low. And then I throw, last word. You did. You're gonna reach out another, just like this sound that we had earlier. That was not it. That sounded like a sleeping monster or something. This one's the gargle sound again, like, that's the sound, there it is. You're gonna take your feet to the right, you're gonna look to the right, and then you're gonna go ta and bring that foot in. So it goes, look, ta, you're gonna slide right, left, you're gonna go kick ta ta, tilt, tilt, da-doom, and then you're gonna bring this up into whatever you want. You could take it up and over like this, you could do something like that, and that's it. You guys made it to the end. Amazing job, way to push through. I know it's a challenge, but that's what I'm saying. This is how you get better, you gotta push. So let's do just the ending, because I think you guys have the first part of the chorus pretty good. It's mostly when we get here, that it gets tricky, right? So this is here, then further, click, zoom. This is ta, 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 ba, 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 boom. Ta, ta, ta. Then you're stepping out. So as soon as you hit this, it's the down first, boom, and then you're stepping you. Ha, it goes ta, 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 boom, ga, to go here, heel toe and look to the right, doom, da. You go slide, slide, here and da. So it's gonna go da, 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 da. It's fast. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Woo! Good luck on that. All right, let's go from the top. What do you say? I know it's a lot of steps, but this is how we're gonna get it. Push it through slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clean. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7. Doom ta. 6. This goes dream. Ta ta. Zoom ta 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 ta. Might have been a nightmare reach. Tick tock. Boom. 1 bum bum. Ta 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 ta. 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 7 80 and boom. 1 dun dun ta 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 gun ka. Boom. 2 and 3 and a 5 6 ta 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 ga ga ga. Yo. All right. That's the one to practice a few times. Get that down. Get the moves in your body. The timing is going to be a lot easier, obviously, when you hear the sounds than what I'm saying. I'm trying to give you like the noises kind of how they are, but really practice it with the music once you get it. But right now, we just got to go a little faster, get you up to like tempo or close to it, because she quick. Here we go. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and D, ha, 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 click, and a ta, ta, 2, doom, ka, ka, soon, ta, 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 5, pull down, nightmare, tick, ta, boom, womp, boom, womp, boom, ta, 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 boom, womp, womp, ta, 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 ka, 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 da, 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 boom, womp, ta, 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 boom, ka, boom, 2, 3, and a 5, 6, ta, 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 woo. Woo. Yo, you guys, killed it. If you made it to the end, congratulations, because that means you are really dedicated to pushing yourself, to challenging. This is something that I taught masterclass in LA, and people were working really hard to get the routine here. So if you get this down, like, you should feel really, really proud of yourself. Like I said, don't worry about getting it in 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Worry about getting it over the course of the next few days, weeks, a month, whatever it takes, but stick with it, because if you get this combo, since it is one of my harder ones, and then you go back to an easier routine, you're gonna see the progression. You're gonna see how much stronger you got by training something like this. So keep it up. I can't wait to see your covers. Make sure you tag me, also hashtag Steph Remix. I hope you guys like this song. I'm trying to push myself on the music side and do something different every time too. So if you like it, let me know. I love reading your comments about it, seeing your dances. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I'll be back here for another tutorial soon. Love you guys.